Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Chinwe Ezukane. I'm a Nigerian YouTuber based in Asaba. I have another beautiful client makeup and hair transformation. I got her ready for her birthday. She doesn't like anything dramatic. She wanted me to just keep it simple, which is what I tried to achieve for her. All the products that I used in achieving this look will be displayed on the screen, and it will also be listed in my description box, so you can also do well to check it out. Please watch till the end. This look is very detailed and you wouldn't want to miss out on how I achieved the popping eyebrows, okay? Also, you get to see how I transformed the hair that she used as well, so don't go nowhere. This is a beauty channel and I also do vlogs as well, so if it sounds like something that you are interested in, please subscribe and do not forget to click the notification bell so that when there's a new video from me, you will be the first to get it. A very big thank you to my new subscribers and to my friends that have always been here. Thank you so much. I'm just going to let you enjoy this video, watch, and then I'll see you in the end. Okay, so this is the look. I love it, and as you can see, she loves it too, and I hope you love it as well. So please start leaving me your comments. So it's time for her hair. I had to use my stretcher first, and the hair didn't come in looking nice at all. So I used my stretcher, and as you would see, I also used the hand dryer, and I also applied the got to be glue to it as well, the styling glue, and I also applied the got to be blasting freeze spray, and it just gave it life. All right, so that is it. I love everything about the look. You can see how the eyebrows are looking. It's on fleek. The eyeshadow, the lipstick, even the celebrant herself, she is so beautiful. And she is popping and, you know, really beautiful. I went in with a hard brush to achieve smoothness, and you can see how it's looking silky, shiny, you know, back to life, you know. And this is even the first time that I'm doing her makeup for her, and she was just so calm, you know, so relaxed. She trusted the process all the way. Like, she really has a beautiful personality. So what's your favorite part of this look? Please let me know in the comment section. Thank you. Please follow me on my social media handles, Facebook and Instagram. And please give me a huge thumbs up if you did enjoy watching. It really helps my channel a lot. Subscribe if you haven't, share, and I'll see you in my next one. Don't miss out the beautiful pictures at the end, okay? I love you all. Bye.